Gold price breaks $3,600 per ounce, invest now or it's too late? The news is shaking the financial world. Gold price breaks $3,600 per ounce. Investors everywhere are asking the same question: should you jump in now, or has the opportunity already passed? Gold has always been a safe haven asset, but this historic surge demands a closer look. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why gold is rising. 1. Economic uncertainty, global debt, inflation, and geopolitical risks are driving demand for tangible assets. 2. Central bank buying, countries are stockpiling gold reserves, tightening supply. 3. High inflation, rising consumer prices erode fiat money, making gold a trusted hedge. 4. Weak dollar, a declining dollar index boosts gold's relative value worldwide. 5. Mining constraints, limited new supply and rising costs tighten availability. 6. Market volatility, stock crashes and debt fears drive portfolios toward stability in gold. 7. Investment access, ETFs and digital gold platforms make it easier for investors to participate. Is it too late to invest? 1. Short-term volatility, sharp price increases often face corrections. A dip is possible. 2. Long-term value, gold's true role is wealth protection, not speculation. Even if prices fluctuate, it holds intrinsic stability. 3. Diversification benefits, adding gold reduces reliance on volatile stocks or bonds. Why consider a gold IRA? Retirement security, a gold IRA allows physical gold within a tax-advantaged account. Inflation protection, safeguards your retirement savings from currency erosion. Smart allocation, experts recommend 15 to 25% of retirement assets in gold for balance. The surge to $3,600 per ounce signals both opportunity and caution. It may not be about perfect timing but about smart positioning. Whether gold climbs higher or faces short-term pullbacks, its role in protecting wealth is undeniable. For those planning retirement, diversifying through a gold IRA could be the decisive move to secure long-term financial stability. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.